Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the Pre-Market Morning Show. I'm your host, Michael Rulis, and I'll take a sip of coffee. That's good. You need a good cup of coffee in the morning. If you don't drink coffee, have your tea. Alright, guys, so today we got a pretty interesting day lined up for us. Freaking markets have been going all over the place. Up, down, left, right, jerking off real quick. Very volatile, that's for sure. The volatility index is something that if you guys want to play, you're more than welcome to, and it's lots of fun. And also we got huge reversals. You guys could have made tons of money on shorts. Twitter, uh, any of these stocks. It's Facebook. As soon as you heard the news that Mark Zucker twat sold all his $40 billion shares, and pretty sure he dumped two $40 billion loads, but the first $40 billion load he dumped, you could have shorted that shit. Unfortunately, I don't have a margin account, so I can't short or anything. That's why I happen to like short ETFs and fun stuff like that. That way I can expose myself to that kind of behavior while still having a cash account. Alright, so I wanted to go over some things. Today is March 28th. Okay, we got economic news coming out. I kind of went over that yesterday about what's coming out. Uh, I don't think. Oh, here we go. So, what's important? You know what? I'm going to say the MBA mortgage index. I'm going to say that's important for my own curiosity. Then we got international trade in goods. We got GDP third estimate for Q4. That's kind of important. They're expecting. Oh wait, we got it here. So the actual is 2.9. So they rose it up by 3% here. Now I was not expecting that. They rose the GDP up. Um, that's 2.9. Now I don't know what the fuck they're smoking. Um, that's pretty hard to believe. We got a revision of that from 2.5 to 2.9. Okay, that's just what the doctor ordered. Um, that's literally just what the doctor ordered. We didn't get the pending home sales yet, but that's another big one, and it should be an increase though. But it might go. Oh, we're expecting a decrease, but we should get an increase because we have there's more building. Um, so we'll see if the home sales, the actual demand, is going up. Um, Now some economic news coming out Thursday. We got personal income. This is all important. Personal spending, PCE prices, the core PCE, initial claims, counting claims, Chicago PMI, um, Michigan sentiment, final, um, and nat gas inventories. Jesus Christ. PCE. I'm pretty sure PCE is um price. I no, I don't know. Let me look this shit up for you guys. Private mortgage insurance, PMI. Uh-oh. 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 Personal consumption expenditure. So we got the personal Jesus Christ. The personal consumption expenditure and the prices, and so we got a lot of stuff coming up Thursday. Um, I'm surprised that they had the balls to freaking do that. Now we got the trade in goods, so the trade in goods was $0.1 billion more. Um, the mortgage index is 4.8%. So that's pretty high. Um, the prior was negative 1.1. Interesting. Doesn't really make sense. All right, well, we just walked you through the economic calendar today. Now let's get more into some stocks. What's going on with the stocks here? Well, it looks like futures are sliding right now. Um, soon to be underbought. Looks like there's a solid case of for support here. Um, for forward slash NQ, we're looking at 6,500 for a good level of support. Now, we'll probably end up testing that. Um, you know, it looks like we might get another down day if we don't hold support. I'm really surprised about that GDP number. I'm sure a lot of folks are gonna trade that GDP number accordingly. But here we go. Here's some stocks to watch. That may not necessarily going up. It's just like very interesting to see follow, look at the charts and see actually what they're doing. So here we go. The first we got is gold forward slash GC. GC, that's the commodity itself. You could watch that being traded. You could even find 1 second candle charts on like other websites. It's hard to find them. It's hard to find good ones, but I found them. I'll maybe even post a link one day if I put one up. So then the TNX, the 10-year, that's gonna go down with all this selling, and it's just crazy to see how much they're buying these bonds and propping this whole thing up. So then we got QQQ. That's and the opposite, which is QID. So if you want to go short, buy QID, and you want to go long, go QQQ. QQQ is the power shares for the like tech stocks. Um, and the TVIX is a short term velocity bull for the VIX. So we're at 1034 now, and we're looking to spike up to an 1135. So you can make a quick $100. Um, that's if the market continues to go down. It looks like we are getting a spike up in action. Um, so very interesting to see what this is gonna do with the open. We still got 30 minutes till the open, so we got some time. This is a nice, relaxing morning. It is raining here in New Jersey. Phil Murphy is making medical marijuana better, or not better, but expanding the program. That's gonna be interesting. I had back surgery, and I fight sciatica. It's hard for me to sit down a lot or for long periods of time. So, you know, and I'm glad he finally, they're finally allowing chronic pain with nerve and back and neck stuff um, to be allowed because, you know, it's not healthy to take, an Advil. But like, if we can get CBD oil, or even just some good old herb, I'm happy with that. And when I had my back surgery, I didn't take a damn pill that the doctor gave me. I just smoked my medical cannabis, and it worked great, and it got me through the hard times. And it, not I didn't get addicted to pain, killers. It didn't make my whole body numb. I was just you know, I just felt good. That's what I did. So we got TVIX here breaking out. It's at 10:42. I should have bought in this morning, but I saw the indicators curling up, but looks like we extend the move too quickly, and we're gonna have to come back down. And the same thing. Well, let's start looking at some charts. How about that, guys? Instead of me talking about Phil Murphy's medical marijuana program. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Oh, you're saying, would you fucking make yourself an Irish fucking, an Irish freaking, car bomb there? Ooh, look at that. Okay. Whoa, son of a gun. What did I do? You're removing this guy. Great. It's a little dark in my room. I don't want to turn on the light and blind you guys. Um, what I could do is load this guy up here and do this. Hopefully this will provide a little bit more lighting. Yes, it did. Excellent. Okay, great. So we're looking at the big three here. Let's pull up some charts that might be of use instead of looking at. Let's look at pre-market. What's happening right now. A lot of you guys may not have, you know, may not have um, access to accurate data. But the thing is, you could probably go on the freaking some website, like CNBC or something, and get 15-minute delayed. Whereas if you saw it on my YouTube, it might even be like hours before. Okay, so on an hour chart here, we're just way overbought here. But these markets, this NQ, we kind of found support, but I think we're just gonna end up failing it. Um, you know, this does not look pretty at all. We're fighting, trust me. Um, and this TVIX here is interesting. This is the VIX the VIX guy. Hey, this VIX guy. Look at here, we're popping off green. Looks like we're gonna curve up and do the same thing, and looks like we're gonna fail it there. We are underbought though, but that's gonna suck. Like for people who want long, just keep sputtering out at the bottom. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. We got tech kind of going sideways or down. But all of it's underbought on a 1 minute and lower, more shortened time frames. Um, so we got a lot of this stuff underbought, but fuck, man, I should have got the fucking TVIX. Now it's too high. The price should come down. We only got 26 minutes till the open, so there's not much time. Oh, geez, I spilt my coffee. Well, on that note, I think we're gonna have to end it here. Um, we covered a good amount of the material. I gotta go ahead and edit this video and upload it. And I gotta find out where the. Oh, I found where I spilled. Damn it! All right, guys, I'm gonna go clean my coffee stain out before it gets bad. All right. Well, oh, let me see. What the fuck am I expecting? I'm expecting big drops here. Let me just get a napkin, guys. A little tissue. See, I got some water around here. Yeah. Yeah. You guys like my pants? Good, me too. Nice and comfy. That's hilarious. Well, it's like the city folk, they run around in their suits and then, they got their freaking dress shoes. I mean, their sneakers with their dress shoes. All right, so we're pretty much undersold, underbought here on a 10-minute, and we're tanking here. On a 30-minute, we're probably just about ripe to pull down and keep going. Um, Listen, guys. So for the comp, look at this. On an hour chart, we're kind of underbought. But we're still gonna continue to go because we got 25 and we got like 14 here, 15. So we can expect a big down day. Um, we could possibly see exactly what happened yesterday, like a 200-point drop, maybe even to 400-point drop, like I was talking about yesterday on yesterday's video. Um, 400-point drop. That's no fucking joke, dude. We're looking at possible support here, hitting the fucking way under the or coming close to the 200-day moving average, doing this double bottom. Um, and what do we got here with the DJX and SPX? All right, so we're looking at again 2,500 support or less. You know, damn it, I didn't set up my fibs for you guys, so you didn't get any lower support. That's okay. If you need to know the numbers, you could comment and ask. But I was busy last night, so that's that. Um, okay, that's that. We're pretty much in for a down day today. Um, that we're looking at the magnitude that's worse than yesterday. You take the stairs up and the elevator down, so it's always worse coming down. Um, expect some stuff. I'll try and come on around 12 or before then to cover the economic news, um, or what's left of the economic news. We're almost sold off on an hour chart. I think we're in a bear market, and you got a School of Hard Knocks video coming up later today. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for joining the pre-market show. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope I made this somewhat entertaining and factual and worth it for you guys to come and watch. So thank you very much and take care.